Technology is changing almost every aspect of our lives at a terrific pace. No wonder airlines' digital transformation is at its peak. Today, travelers want flexible solutions with a simple click experience. Travel apps are not only a source of inspiration, but also extremely useful for booking and managing logistics, even making restaurant reservations, or finding a great fitness class, wherever in the world you're flying to next. There are plenty of apps to help with everything, from day of hotel bookings and last-minute flight changes, as well as those that serve as guidebooks and foreign language dictionaries that fit in your hand. Apps can help you navigate a new city, make currency conversions, pack a perfect suitcase, even provide on-the-ground local expertise. Whatever you need, when you hit the road, there's an app for that. In this video, we will be discussing on the must-have apps when you are planning for air travel. Let us get started. Skyscanner is the world's travel search engine for flights, hotels and car rentals. A comparison website that helps to bring all the travel options in one place. This user-friendly, 3-in-1 travel app makes your flight, hotel and car booking even easier with smart features. Your hotel and car hire searches will be automatically paired with flights. Price alerts, probably Skyscanner's most useful tool, can help you decide when is the right time to buy your desired air ticket at the lowest price. SeatGuru is a website that offers free services for finding information about specific airlines and the planes in their fleets. This includes seeing the exact aircraft types in a fleet, how many seats are on each plane, what type of seating is available, in-flight amenities, and more. One of the most important aspects of SeatGuru is the ability to find your seat map by providing your airline, flight number, and date. A travel packing list app is a must-have for travelers, not just to pack everything essential, but also to travel confidently. So, whether you are a vacationer or someone who frequently goes on business trips, PackPoint is a good app to consider. What this app does is essentially customize your packing list based on the weather, how long you're there, and the nature of the trip. Anyone who travels knows exactly how often airlines can change their flight status when it comes to departures and arrivals. You get real-time information from the comfort of your own home. The app stays current by updating itself every minute. Flightradar24 is a Swedish internet-based service that shows real-time commercial aircraft flight tracking information on a map. It includes flight tracking information, origins and destinations, flight numbers, aircraft types, positions, altitudes, headings and speeds. Flightradar24 has iOS and Android versions, and a website as well. Tripit declutters your itineraries and documents by keeping them organized in one place. You can set your reservations to be automatically sent to Tripit, which will let you view travel confirmations, flight itineraries, tickets, hotel and booking info, rental car reservations, ferry tickets, and driving directions without ever leaving the app. Advantages of Tripit are automated itinerary, instant alerts, group trip planning is available. We all love to feel good when traveling on business or pleasure. Jet lag is caused when the sleep-wake and light-dark cycle shift too quickly. Time Shifter relies on sleep and circadian neuroscience research to provide personalized recommendations for every traveler, taking into consideration your age, gender and normal sleep patterns, as well as specifics about your trip and travel plans. It will suggest when you should avoid or seek light, take a nap or stay awake. There's also a quick turnaround feature for business travelers who need to be on point during short trips. Z Money Transfer has an impressive track record as an international money transfer specialist. Z offers transfers into more countries and currencies than practically every other provider through their comprehensive online platform. This makes Z an ideal choice. In addition to the website and mobile app, Z also offers customer support over email and by telephone. WeatherBug provides forecasts for millions of locations around the world, with current, hourly, and even 10-day options. The app also has specific weather maps to track everything from lightning and wind to pressure and humidity, and makes staying on top of changes to the weather easy with instant alerts. Personalize your favorite locations and save as many cities you desire. Be prepared for the weather outside your home or workplace by seeing the current conditions in Status Your Bar and Notifications area. Plan ahead with the 10-day snow depth forecast and stay safe in severe winter conditions with real-time snowstorm alerts. LoungeBuddy lets you view, book, and access airport lounges around the world. It literally takes all the guesswork out of booking a lounge and is the quickest way to escape the stress of waiting in airports. It displays photos, amenities, and reviews from other app users, so you can find a lounge of your choice and book straight away. It tells you which lounges you may access for free or for a one-time fee. HotelTonight uses a same-day booking business model to get the best prices from hotels for those traveling on a budget. Same-day hotel booking platforms are gaining immense popularity with the young generation. HotelTonight has a vast list of options categorized according to luxuries, amenities, and price range, so you can easily get what you need at the last minute. If you're driving, Waze is one of the easiest ways to get directions. Waze is built entirely for drivers. Waze has a distinct focus, one aimed at being the best companion for people getting from point A to point B in a car. Its features include bright, colorful, easy-to-see icons. These icons represent traffic jams, road closures, and many other. Book your hotel room for a few hours during the day and enjoy all the hotel's amenities. Dayuse.com is the leader in day-use hotel room reservations. The only thing Dayuse needs to know is what you're seeking from one of the 5,000 accommodations across 25 countries. They can instantly connect you to, and when you need it, you'll find rooms marked down by as much as 75% for your 1 to 10 hour stay.